Today you have to start with solve example page number 39. Second example, x square plus 8x minus 48 is equal to 0. This example you have to solve by the comparing square method. So this expression is x square plus 8x minus 48 is equal to 0. This 48 is not the perfect square term. So to add the suitable term to x square plus 8x so that the new expression will be the complete square term. Means you have to add term of the one of the term in term of the C such that this x square plus 8x plus that term, whatever you will add, that will be the perfect square, and that will be the perfect square of x plus y bracket square. So I wrote this as, let us add suitable term to x square plus 8x so that the new expression will be the complete square. So I will add k in x square plus 8x, that time x plus y becomes perfect square. Then I will write this x square plus 8x plus k as it is. I will expand this as x plus y bracket square. X plus y bracket square according to our expansion identity, x square plus 2xy plus y square. If you want to find out the value of k and the y square, I will compare this 8x with 2xy and this k with this y square. Then 8x is equal to 2xy, 8x is equal to 2xy and k is equal to y square. Then you have to transpose this multiplied by 2x, that becomes divided by 2x. I will get the value of y. I will solve this as x will cancel with this x, 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8. Then we will get the value of y is equal to 4. Put this y is equal to 4 here and we will get the value of k. K is equal to 16. Means 16 is the perfect square term. When you will add k, means you will add 16 in x square plus 8x, that time that will be the perfect trinomial, perfect square trinomial. So I will say that x square plus 8x plus 16 is the perfect square trinomial. Means if this third term will come 16 instead of this 48, that time this x square plus 8x becomes the perfect square term. So but our original expression is x square plus 8x minus 48 is equal to 0. For solving this by the completing square method, add and subtract the perfect square term here. So I will in this expression I will add 16, I will subtract 16, that time the value of this expression will not change. So this becomes x square plus 8x minus 48 plus 16 and minus 16. If plus 16 minus 16 I will write here. If I will cancel this, that time this will not change the value of this expression. So I will write this perfect square term together with the x square plus 8x, x square plus 8x plus 16 minus 48 minus 16 I will write here is equal to 0. So this is the expansion of, I will write this as x square plus 8x plus 4 square minus 48 minus 16 is equal to minus 64 is equal to 0. And this is the perfect square of x plus 4 bracket square, x plus 4 bracket square minus 64 as it is equal to 0. Then x plus 4 bracket square minus this one is this 8 is the perfect this 64 I will write as 8 square, and this is in the form a square minus b square. I will write this as a plus b in one bracket and a minus b in another bracket is equal to 0. This x plus 4 plus 8 is equal to 0 and x plus 4 minus 8 is equal to 0. Here you have to compare these factors with 0. This x plus 8 plus 4 is equal to 12 and 4 minus 8 is equal to minus 4 is equal to 0. X is equal to minus 12 will come and x is equal to 4 will come. Then x minus 12, x is equal to minus 12 and x is equal to 4 are the roots of the given quadratic equation. This way you have to solve this expression. Here you have to add the some another term x in the x square plus 8x, means that term will be the k, that time that expression will be the perfect square term, and that's why I write this as x square plus 8x plus k is equal to x plus y bracket square x square plus 8x plus k. You have to expand this, compare this with this with this. You have to find out value of y, you have to find out value of k, and you have to say that when you will add this will be the perfect square term. You will add in the x square plus 8x, that time that one is the perfect square of this x plus 4 bracket square, and according to that you have to solve the example. I think you understand these things. Write all these things in the notebook. Thank you.